friends, in previous video we discussed about communication. It plays a very important role in terms of defining your personality. In this particular video, we are going to talk about physical communication. Now, we discussed earlier that there are two kinds of communication. The first one is verbal communication and the second one is non-verbal communication. Now, this physical communication is a part of non-verbal communication. What exactly this is? The way you communicate, but you're not using your words, you're using your body language, you are using gestures. This is how you are going to communicate to others. This is known as non-verbal communication, also known as physical communication. Now, in order to understand that how this particular communication happens, I'm going to give you a very small example. So, here's Mr. Bharat and I'm going to ask him few questions. Mr. Bharat, how was your day? How are you feeling today? Would you like to have some tea or coffee? Okay, thank you. So, we just saw that Mr. Bharat was very much apprehensive in terms of communicating his ideas. We asked him three basic questions and he replied with a nod for every question. For every question that I asked, he replied with a nod. So now this is something that we need to get rid of, because for every question there needs to be a different gesture. Suppose someone is asking you that how was your day? You can do just like this. So it means that your day was quite good, but you have to maintain a smile on your face along with gesturing. So how it is going to help you? It is going to communicate your message. It is going to communicate your feelings and emotions to others. This is how we are going to communicate in terms of expressing ourselves. Now again, I'll give you a very brief or small example regarding your body language, the way it speaks. Many a times we come across people asking us to sit on a chair. It's like a common thing, we sit like this. But the moment people are asking us any question, we do like this. So it's kind of a negative language where our legs are shaking a bit, our hands are like this, sweaty palms, and then we are not being able to understand how to sit, how to relax our body. All these are part of your physical communication. The way your body language is delivering a message to others. It all comes under non-verbal communication. Now it creates an impact on others. Suppose you are shaking your leg like this. Suppose you are moving your hands like this. Suppose you are not maintaining an eye contact. It's a negative sign of body language. We need to get rid of this. The moment we are getting rid of this particular problem, we can master the art of communicating in a very good and impressive manner.